if you would like to ask me something, just say question and then say your name so I know who's asking me the question. Then I can answer the question, okay? So today we are going to be talking more about, because we've been listening about Camilla's family. So we're going to do a bit of writing today, and you're going to make your own family tree, okay? So I want to hear all about your family. Okay, and then tomorrow, or when we go back to school, maybe you can show us your family trees and talk about your family with everybody, okay? Okay, so yesterday, Susu, can you tell me what was the homework?
I don't remember.
You can't remember? Okay, what story did we read yesterday? About Camilla and her...
Family.
Yeah, so it was called My Family. So you had to answer questions on quizzes about the story, yeah? Okay, let's see. Ben 10, can you read the first question for us, please?
What is one way Camilla's parents are different?
Okay, can you say Camilla's?
Camilla.
Camilla, that's her name, Camilla, yeah? Camilla's.
Yes.
So what's the answer, Ben 10?
It was they come from different cities. They come from different countries.
Good boy. They come from different countries. Can you remember, Ben 10, where her mum came from?
Her mom came from Cuba.
And where did her dad come from?
Her dad came from Puerto Rico.
Good boy. Well done. Good memory. Excellent, Ben 10. Good. Okay. Puppy, can you read question 2 for us, please?
How are Camilla and her mom different?
Yeah, what's the answer?
Her mom is a teacher.
Yeah, her mum is a teacher. Camilla is not a teacher, is she? But they both like to cook. So yeah, you've got the right answer. Her mum is the teacher. Good girl, Puppy. Well done. Okay, Sophia, number 3, please.
In this story, what does Grandma Mother is Maria and G.
Okay, can you say...
Camilla something.
Okay, good girl. Can you say Aunt Maria Irene?
Camilla Irene.
Yeah, good. Okay, so the correct answer is teach Camilla something. I think quite a few of you maybe got that wrong. It was a little bit tricky, that one. Okay, let's have a look at Blue Moon. Number 4, please.
How is Letty dancing different from other family members dancing?
Okay, and what's the answer?
Is she dance in a crowd?
Yeah, say she dances in a crown.
She dances in the crowd.
Good job. And can you say Letitia?
Letitia.
Good. Ray, number 5, please, Ray.
Answer is B.
Okay, can you read the question?
What does the chart on page 48 show?
Yeah, it shows Camilla's family tree. And what else could we call that chart?
A diagram.
Diagram. Good job. Well done. It shows her family tree, who's in her family. Moon, you can read number 6 for us.
What is different about the way Camilla to Uncle make music?
Okay, do we say Camilla or Camilla's?
Camilla's.
And do we say uncle or uncles?
Of course.
Yeah, remember to read the S's. Good girl. What's the answer?
They play different instruments.
Yeah, instruments with an S. Good girl. Can you remember the instruments that her uncles...
The violin, right?
Yeah, I think one of them played the violin and the other played the...
Double bass. One people play double bass.
Say, one uncle plays double bass.
One uncle played double bass and the other uncle played the violin.
Ah, awesome. Banana, Can you read number 7 for us?
After playing music on Sunday, what do Camilla and her family do?
Good. Does it say Sunday or Sundays?
Sundays.
Yeah, please read the S's, yeah? And what's the answer, Banana?
Play and talk in the backyard.
Yeah, they play and talk in the backyard. Excellent. Mango, can you read number 8 for us, please?
Playing games with grown-ups. What do Camilla and Gabriel?
What's the answer there?
Paint pictures.
Good boy. Yeah. Number 9, Funny Bunny Silly Sunny.
Why does the author of this story use real photos?
Yeah, and why?
To show real people and places.
Yeah, good. Good. Okay, Duck, can you read number 10 for us, please?
How do the photos in this story help the reader?
Yeah, Cherry. What is the answer for question number 10? How do the photos in this story help the reader?
Number C.
The photos tell about a different topic than words. So the words are talking about Camilla's family, right? Are the photos all about teddy bears and chocolate bars?
No, number B.
Yeah. So the photos and the words, they match, yeah? They go together. So the photos give us more details. Let me ask Taylor, what kind of details do they give us?
The people in Camilla family.
Yeah. Does it show us how they feel? Can you see that they're happy in the photos?
Yes.
Yes. So some details, it shows us how they are feeling. Does it show us what they look like?
Yes.
Yes. So that's another detail. It's showing us what they look like. Does it tell us what they like to do together? I think it does show us what they like to do together, because in the photos we can see them playing music, painting, laughing, playing dominoes, yeah? So the photographs gives us lots of details that the words don't. Does anybody not understand? Okay, so let's move on to our lesson today. This is part 2 of our reading. Today we're going to look at family poetry, okay? Well, how many titles can you see on this page, Jack?
I can see 3 titles on this page.
Good boy. Yeah, 3 titles, okay? What's the main title? What's the biggest title?
Family
Can you say family poetry?
poetry.
Good boy. Okay, Milk, can you read that paragraph for us, please, under the title family poetry?
A family, baby, parents, brothers, sister, grandparents, cousin, and more. People in a family visit one another and spend time together. Poets write about these remembered time. Listen to the
Rhythm.
of these families' poems as you read them.
Read to them. Good boy. And can you say the word remembered?
Remembered.
Not remembered.
Remembered.
Good boy. Okay, so a family may have parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, cousins, and more. People in a family visit one another and spend time together. Poets write about these remembered times. Listen to the rhythm of these family poems as you read them. Okay, so our first poem is going to be Everybody Says. Listen to how I read the poem. Okay, then I'm going to ask somebody to read the poem after me. Everybody says, I look just like my mother.
Question.
Everybody says, I'm the image of Aunt Bee. Everybody says, my nose is like my father's, but I want to look like me. So we read poems a little bit differently. Okay, we read them almost like a song. Misha and Rosie, Misha, you're going to read one line and Rosie's going to read the next line, okay? Okay, Rosie, can you read the first line and Misha, you read the next line?
Everybody says, I look just like my mother. Everybody says, I'm the image of Aunt Bee. Everybody says, my nose is like my father's. But I want to look like me.
That's awesome. That was really, really, really good. Well done, guys. That was brilliant. Okay, and Mango, who is the author of this poem?
This.
Yeah, Dorothy Aldis. Good. Pastor, what words are repeated in this poem?
The word everybody says.
Yeah, everybody says is the title. And how many times does it say it in the poem, Pastor?
3.
3 times, okay? So sometimes poems have this repetition. They say the same thing, yeah, over and over again. I want to hear Poppy, Banana. Actually, Banana, can you read the first line? Poppy, you read the second line.
Everybody says,
Just like my mother.
everybody says,
I'm the image of Aunt Bee.
everybody says,
My nose is like my father's.
but I want to look like me.
Excellent. So let's have a look at the second poem. Ray, do you know how we can say this title?
Abuelita's lap.
Who do you think Abuelita is? Abuelita is.
Grandmother of a girl.
Yeah, and where can you see how do you know that?
I see it in the picture.
Can you tell me who the author is of this poem?
The author is Hat Mora.
Yeah, good boy. I'm going to read it first and then I'm going to choose 2 of you to read it. So listen to me. I know a place where I can sit and tell about my day. Tell every color that I saw, from green to cactus gray. I know a place where I can sit and hear a favorite beat. Her heart and cuentos from the past, the rhymes honey sweet. I know a place where I can sit and listen to a star. Listen to its silent song gliding from afar. I know a place where I can sit and hear the wind go by, hearing it spinning round my house, my whirling lullaby. Okay, so there are some words in there that rhyme, Sophia. What's this one?
Right.
Good girl. Okay, Sam, in the second stanza, what words can you see that rhyme?
Beat is sweet.
Boy, beat. Sweet. Excellent. Okay. Taylor, on the third stanza,
I think listen and silence.
always look at the last word on the sentences.
Star and far.
Good girl. Star and afar. So can we see there's a pattern here? Every second and fourth line has a rhyming word to make our poem like a song. Good. Okay, and the last one we have by and lullaby. Moon, what words are repeated?
I know.
Oh, I know. Yeah. So actually it's I know a place where I can sit. Yeah. It's a whole line and it's the start of each stanza. Yeah, good girl. Well done. So again, we can see repetition. Taylor and Funny, you are going to read the poem line by line.
I know a place where I can sit and tell about my day. Tell every color that I saw, from green to cactus gray.
Excellent.
I know a place where I can sit and hear a favorite beat. The hurts,
Her
Ten.
hurt and cuentos.
her hurt and pintars from the past. The rhythms, honey sweet. I know a place where I can sit and listen to a star. Listen to its silent song. Gliding from afar. I know a place where I can sit and hear the wind go by. Hearing it spinning round my house. My whirling
Lullaby.
lullaby.
Excellent. That was really good. You guys are reading these poems so beautifully. Well done. So remember, poems, we have that rhythm. So next up, we have this poem. Sam, can you tell us the title of this poem?
Grandpa's story.
Good. Can you tell me who's the author?
I don't know how to say it.
Misha, can you say the author?
The author is Langston Hughes.
Yeah, so we say Langston Hughes. Yeah, can you say Langston Hughes?
Langston Hughes.
Good job. Okay, everybody need to listen because I'm going to choose 2 people in a minute to read this. The pictures on the television do not make me dream as well. As the stories without pictures, Grandpa knows how to tell. Even if he does not know what makes a spaceman go, Grandpa says back in his time, hamburgers only cost a dime. Ice cream cones a nickel and a penny for a pickle. Okay, so Jack, can you look at the first stanza? Jack, what are the 2 rhyming words you can see? Well, and tell. Excellent. Moon?
Mission.
Yeah.
But I know a rhyming word in the nickel pickle.
Yeah, good girl. So you can see nickel pickle. Excellent. Nickel pickle. Good. Okay, let's have a look at other rhyming words. Hands up if you can see them. Okay, Rosie.
Time and dime.
Yeah, time, dime. Awesome. We got 2 more there. Anybody can see them? Duck, can you see them?
Time dam.
We've had that one already. We've got no and go. Yeah, they also rhyme. So look at the end of our lines, we have rhyming words. So these help us with the rhythm of our poems, how we read them. Okay, so I'm gonna ask Blue Moon and I'm gonna ask Milk to read this poem.
The pictures on the television.
Could not make me dream as well.
As the stories without pictures.
Grandpa knows how to tell.
Good.
Even if he does not know
What makes a spaceman go?
Awesome. Okay, stop there. I'm gonna just ask. Okay, Duck, can you read the next line and Susu read the line after that?
Grandpa stays back in his time.
Hamburgers only cost a dime.
Awesome. Duck,
Cream cones a
nickel
nickel.
For a pickle.
and a penny for a pickle. Good job. Okay, awesome. So let's go on to what your homework will be. Your homework will be, first we're going to write a paragraph about your family. And remember, a paragraph is a group of sentences. So I want to hear all about your family members. If you want, you can write a poem. about your family members. So you have 3 choices. 1, you use this sentence frames here that I have written for you, and you fill in the missing blanks, okay? That's option 1. Option 2, wait. Option 2, you write your own paragraph with no help, and you tell me about your mom, your dad, your cousins, your aunt, your uncles. Or you write a poem using rhyming words, using repetition, okay? So I want you to choose now, and you are going to start to write now, okay? The second part for your homework is you are going to make a family tree, okay? So this is how you structure a family tree. So can you remember in Vietnamese lesson, Sam, do you remember you put your grandpa and your grandma together?
Yes.
And then you have your father, yeah? And then you have your mum's parents, so your other grandma and grandpa, and then you have your mother, yeah? And then from your mother and father, this will be you, and if you have brothers and sisters, yeah? So it's not a messy tree. It shows you whose babies are whose, yeah? And again, Miss Dahlia will send this to you so you can see. I do not want you just to draw a picture. I want it to be beautiful. And I'm going to be giving stickers to those family trees that I can see you've used lots of color. They're very beautiful. If you don't have photographs, it's okay. You can illustrate, okay? You can do your drawings. If you would like today and tomorrow to do this, that's okay. I'll give you an extra day to do your family tree, okay? So you have lots of time.